everyone, and welcome back to Craft Time After Rhyme Time. Today is the letter E, and so what we're going to be doing is we are going to think about the earth, and we're going to make art out of what we can find outside. So let's go outside and let's see what we can find to make art with. So let's go gather up some rocks, some leaves, twigs, anything you can find, and let's bring them back to somewhere that's a little flat. Like, I wouldn't be doing this in the grass, so I'm gonna be doing it right here on my patio, and I'm gonna arrange what I find into some cool patterns, designs, or try to make something realistic. So let's go gather our supplies and meet back here on some flat surface. So I gathered up some leaves, a couple of sticks, and I'm gonna see what I can create. The great thing about this is you don't need anything, you just need to go outside, and don't be upset by I didn't find a lot of sticks. I mostly found leaves, but I love the fact that it's fall, the leaves are changing colors, they're beautiful, and you can't really save them. I've tried preserving them in different ways, but you can really just appreciate them in the moment. Take a picture of them and you can always look back on it. And so I'm gonna arrange them, I'm gonna play with different maybe pictures I can make with them, but then they just stay outside. I don't have to glue it onto a piece of paper, I don't have to worry about it. I'm just expressing myself with the earth. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I had a lot of leaves blow away. Maybe you wanna keep them in a basket, or maybe you do want to move this project inside. But I'm going to think about a spiral again and thinking about my colors. How could I create a pattern? What kind of shapes can I make? Or what kind of designs? And it's about playing and not working yourself up and being afraid of change. I'm liking how this is turning out now. Maybe if I had partners helping me, it could come out even better. So there is a good example of one. Now let's try a few more things. Maybe we could overlap them. I don't even have to move them too much. What if I did, thinking about turning these into like flower-like shapes? And remember, take a picture of them at the end. Have them live on as a photo. And just because you gathered an element doesn't mean it has to be used. It's kind of like a nature puzzle. You can enjoy parts of it, toss parts away. I hope the wind doesn't take it. But that's okay. I'm gonna start again. So it was really windy outside for me, so I decided to take in some of my things and see what I can make just on a flat surface inside. And I'm not thinking about anything in particular, I'm just thinking about designs. What can I create with the elements that I brought inside? Thinking about lines and patterns. I want a similar one to that one. I guess that's the most similar. And I keep finding myself getting annoyed with the stem. You could gently remove. There's nothing saying, there's no rules to this, the right or wrong way to make earth art. But I really do enjoy the fact that you don't need anything. Find things from outside. Create from what's around you. You're not hurting the earth. I picked these leaves off the ground. This didn't cost anything. And it's also not going to last, but I can make it last with a photo. Seeing what I have left, how can I make this look like a final composition? I think I'm going to leave, maybe that'll be my base that goes on top, kind of like a tree. Oh, there we go. So I like the fact I could control it a little bit more inside, whereas outside it was blowing around a little bit on me, but it's up to you. Do you want to have some fun outside, a little more carefree, or do you want to bring some elements in and just arrange on your table, and now you can go put this back into nature. So I hope you had fun collecting nature, experiencing the world as your canvas. Maybe you could bring your pets with you and they can also have fun while you create some art outside with whatever you can find around. So join us next time for our next letter and another art project. See you next time. Bye.